We can connect traditional USB-C thumb drives on mobile devices, either to copy photos and videos from the smartphone or tablet, or to copy movies to the USB drive to watch them offline on the smartphone, or even back up your smartphone data to an external USB drive. But if your smartphone or tablet with the Android operating system is not detecting the USB drive, I will show you how to solve that problem and make it work for the smartphone to recognize external USB devices, because you need to activate the OTG function, which allows you to connect USB-A or USB-C drives via the USB charging plug on the mobile device. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. On the computer, we open the File Explorer. On the left side, I already have the files I want to copy. Now we are going to connect the thumb drive. Now I will copy this photo and also a small video to the USB drive, so we can see these photos and videos on the smartphone. Ctrl+C to copy, and now Ctrl+V to paste on the USB drive. The files are on the USB device. I'm going to eject the USB drive from the computer and remove it. At this moment, this thumb drive has one photo and one video. We are going to connect the thumb drive on the smartphone, although it still won't work. It's connected, but it didn't detect anything because the OTG connection is not activated yet. So let's remove it. To activate the connection, open the settings, go to the bottom of the settings and choose System Settings. Then look for the OTG connection and activate it. Press the slider and now it's ready. Now open the File Explorer again. Now with the thumb drive formatted with the correct file system and the OTG connection activated on the smartphone, let's connect the thumb drive. Let's see if it works now, and it's detecting the external USB device with 124 GB. Open that device, and because we are on an Android system, several common storage folders are created. But here we have the two files copied, the photo as we saw on the computer, exactly, and the video that I can play. So everything is accessible directly from the USB device, and activated the OTG connection on the smartphone to recognize USB external devices. So you can copy contents to the thumb drive on the computer, such as photos, videos or movies, to be able to watch them offline, and then just plug it in your smartphone with the OTG connection, and you will be able to watch those photos, videos, documents or movies directly from the USB device connected to your smartphone. And like that, you can easily access the files on the thumb drives on any device. Or if you want, back up your smartphone data to an external USB drive. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.